Okay, it looks like we're live, and what I want to do is I want to talk about a new application called Academy Pro. And what Academy Pro allows you to do is to create websites just like this. Now, I recently got review access, and it took me just on an hour to create this website based on the templates that are included in Academy Pro. So you can see here that the Academy Pro includes 5 free modules that you can actually market and sell and get affiliate commissions on, and I've actually implemented 3 of them here. It also includes, as you can see here, we've got a course block which shows these courses that I've enabled on Academy Pro. So we can see here that it's got the courses. You've also got a blog built into this platform. So you don't have to create a blog, and these articles that I've got here are actually supplied with the package, so you can get up and running very quickly. So what I'd like to do now is just go into the back end of Academy Pro and show you some of the features that are in there. So let's do that right now. This is the dashboard, and you can see I've logged in. So once you get your account, you'll get to this dashboard. If we have a look at the courses, so I'll just select courses to start with. And you can see here, these are the 5 built-in courses that they've got available. And I've enabled 3 of them. There's a little bit of setup when you go and you enable the course. You've just got to put in the price you want to sell for, some basic details, and then the course is live. So course is set up, and these are built in. You can obviously build your own courses as well, but this is a nice quick way of getting started. We've got a blog section in here, and it includes 5 pages, I believe, of 1 of 5. So it's got 5 pages of articles on different topics. Now you can see here, if I look at the status here, I'm going to look at I'll just highlight that so it puts them in order, and these are the articles that I've actually enabled. So I've enabled these. I noticed that one of the things that didn't happen when I enabled them was to put the feature image up on the blog. So I just went in and edited the first 3 and added that. So we'll have a look at this one, for example, here, which is enabled, but you'll see when I open it, it's got no feature image. And all I simply did was, we'll give that, let's have a look, see what's in the library. So when you upload them, you get these. So I'm just going to put that feature image up. We'll publish that. So that shows you now that it's, if we have a look at the status again, just sort them in order. So we've got the articles that I've actually enabled. So that gives you a good insight of what's available in here. Now, most review sites or review videos, we offer bonuses, but in this case, I'm not actually going to do that. And one of the reasons for that is that if you purchase this package, you also get access to a ton of bonuses. In here, you'll see that there are a ton of bonuses included for you to download and use as you wish. So there's a lot of stuff in here to go through. By adding more bonuses, I believe it's only going to overwhelm people, and you know, it's just too much to go through. So by the time you get the package up and running and get your first course organized, you're going to be well on the way. So hopefully that gives you a good insight into what Academy Pro is all about. And if you click on the link below, you'll get early bird access. I'll let you know as soon as it's released and as soon as you can purchase it at the special discount price. So look forward to seeing you on the inside. My name's Fred Gillen, and I'm here to help you build more business. Take care and have a great day.